Arman, Barsat, comes across as yet another addition to some of the very wonderful rain and romance combination songs that we have. Do you think, and I've always felt that rain and romance inspires some of the best creative works from artists across the board, whether it's musicians, whether it's painters, poets. What do you think as an artist? What do you think of this combination? Sometimes cynicals will always say, "Arey, it's just another creative cliche." What do you opine on this?
Honestly, I feel like rain is a great backdrop, a great background to, express certain emotions. I think it's got two shades. It's got a happy shade and a sad shade, and that is what life is made of. Not every moment is happy, not every moment is sad. There's a little bit of both. And I think the monsoon season and rains have that element, even though there is gloom, but some people go out there and enjoy the rain and have the widest smile being drenched in the rain. So there are both those variations, and I feel like in our song Barsat we have captured both of those very evidently. There are really, really happy moments with the girl, and there are the moments where you can see the tension between the couple and that something is wrong. So I wanted to portray that, and I think the rain served as a very nice backdrop for this song, for the lyrics. And I don't know what people have against it, or honestly, I'm not a big rain lover myself. I've turned into a rain बरसात और मेरी अभी दोस्ती हुई है इस वीडियो और इस गाने के बाद. लेकिन I must point out and say that everything that you see right now or hear, any element, is already been done before. Everything in the world, somewhat or the other, I've seen this before. I've seen this before. It's how you present those same emotions in slightly different ways every time. I think you can't really change those emotions. A lot of people might say it's cliche to use rain, for doing songs and videos and stuff, but it's how you present it. Honestly, there are a lot of cliche elements that that have or may have been used in videos before with rain and Barsat, but I think we have given a very honest, very genuine, very today's music video where there is no even in like rain and breakup videos or heartbreak videos, there's a lot of fighting between the girl and the boy, and they're crying and rona and all that is happening. And sometimes you see someone's some accident happening or some tragic thing happening. Those are very typical parts of music videos that we have seen in India. And I don't think that's I wanted to stay away from that. I wanted to portray emotions in a very subtle way, where dikh raha bhi hai, lekin you're not knowing what has happened between the couple. There is something wrong, but you don't know what that, and I don't want to spell it out. I don't want to spoon feed the story to the listeners and the viewers. They have to have their own take on it, and that's what good creative work is. And I think I'm trying to incorporate a very different element to my music videos. India mein we have seen very typical music videos, very set pattern, that this is how music videos are supposed to be done. This is how you present the singer. I want to break all of that. I feel like the more raw it is, the more genuine it is. That's when it'll touch people's hearts. That's what I feel.
You put it across so perfectly, Arman, because for me, what I really loved about the music video is the fact that it is open to interpretation. There is no fixed narrative. There's no particular message.
I mean, I've not said I've broken up with a girl, or I've left her, or she's broken my heart, or what is it? There have been issues. We were sad. There are happy moments. There is also tension between us. You don't know what has happened, and I don't want anyone to know what's happened, because what happens in someone's personal life is their thing, and I want to keep it that way. That's what I wanted to portray in the video.